Welcome back to another episode. Today's video is actually going to be on the CFX55 IM Dometic powered cooler. Alright, the IM stands for ice maker. That's right, we do have an ice maker in this thing, which is absolutely awesome. So if you want to sip back a little bit of whiskey or rum and you want to chill it down a little bit, we have ice for that. Yeah, so let's go ahead, unbox the fridge, see what came with it, what I got. Alright, with how big this thing is, I had to put it onto the table. So, but we go inside and come have a closer look. Alright, so we got a manual, 12-volt power plug, and a AC power plug. Sweet. Then some silica. Keep the moisture out. Oh, is that a drain plug? So we have this basket here that comes out, and then we also have this basket over here that comes out, and then we also have this little tray to make ice. Huh. Heck yeah. All right, that basket goes here. One thing I am gonna have to look into, the way that we have the truck set up, this is actually backwards, because if you look over here, there is a screen to tell us where the temperature is. So technically it needs to be this way. Maybe this might work, because then I can make a drawer. I don't know, I gotta figure this out. But from the way it looks like I might be able to pop open these tabs right here and another one over here and put the lid on this side, or orient the lid on this side of the cooler. Because when we close this and we spin it around, you can see that it's identical to the other side, even though the hinge is right here. So it looks like you can just rotate the hinge the way that you need it to be. I may not need to do that. Talk about being simple. Okay, so we have start powering up your adventure. Very cool. Dometic 5-year warranty. And then our mobile cooling. This is the manual. Oh, looks like you also can charge your phone. Where is it? Right here. Alright, well, first things first, let's go ahead, plug it in, and see if it works. Alright, so I plugged it in, and let's go ahead and turn on the power. There we go. Alright, so you can see that it's saying that it's 73 degrees inside, and it's actually pretty cool. We're going to set the temperature. Actually, first what I would like to do is change it to Celsius. Oh, wow. Nice. So you have the option there to increase or decrease the brightness of the little display. Turn the ice maker on and off. We're going to leave it off for now. Wi-Fi in a second, Bluetooth, battery protection. I'll leave it on medium. Technically I can probably do low, because I am running a second battery or auxiliary battery that once the truck is turned off, the auxiliary battery is isolated from the rest of the truck. So that way I can literally bring it right down to almost 9 volts and still be able to start the truck, because I do have a starter battery. Okay, so set temperature. We're not doing the freezer. Probably 70 degrees. I'm gonna actually see what temperature it should set. All right, we're gonna do 5 degrees, because that is what my fridge is set at. And there you go. As you can see, there is a light right there. Lights up everything. I guess I can take these guys out. See, already I can feel it's like the actual walls actually get cold. Woo! Hand almost stuck over here. Alright, so we'll close this up. let it do its thing. All right, so I do know that this particular model, CFX3, it has an app. So, and I already downloaded it, and you can view everything. So, I'm gonna connect to it now, and it looked like it already picked it up. Or maybe perhaps I have to go to Bluetooth. Pair. There we go. It's asking to pair. Pair. Oh, that is so cool. So it tells you all the information that you need to know right now. Its AC is plugged in. It is, that's the unit right there. I can change the thermostat. Go all the way down to -22, which is friggin' cold. Second page, and then it gives you your peak. Oh, that is so much information. Very nice. Battery protection. Oh, you can set up everything here too. Very cool. Temperature alarm. Yes, please. This one here is temperature. Notify you if fails outside. Plus or minus 5 degrees after inside the temperature setting. Okay. Well, it looks like you can also connect it to your Wi-Fi. So, yeah, it's very cool. Okay, so as this is cooling down, which is doing pretty good, holy mac, it was at 23 degrees Celsius, and now it's at 18 and dropping. It's very, very nice. Okay, let it do its thing, and then I think we shall go give it a test. Okay, so I just wanted to know that from going from 23 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, it only took this fridge about 7 minutes. Like, that's extremely, extremely impressive. Wow. All right, so the ice maker works. Next thing that I'm gonna try is, I wanna try to find a happy medium between just before things freezes and things not freezing. I know that's kind of cliche, but I wanna find that kind of happy medium, because the idea is stuff that is already frozen, I want it to last as long as possible to be frozen. Meats, ice cream, freezies, and then up on top I'm gonna put stuff that are not gonna be frozen, or try not to be frozen anyways, like more like the vegetables and produce. I heard that a lot of people say that putting stuff up here and this one, this is kind of like the warmer spot over here, and then down here will be the colder spot, which makes sense. So my theory right now is I'm gonna put this frozen freezy, or not freezy, yeah, freezy. I'm gonna take that out, put that sort of off to the side, and I'm gonna see if that's frozen. And probably tomorrow morning, like I said, I'm playing around with this to find that happy temperature here. And we'll check back in. After an overnight test with the freezy, I figured that around between -5, -7 Celsius is going to be a good happy medium. It didn't completely keep it frozen solid. What it did was it made it soft, but sort of this is a good thing, because what I'm looking for is actually not to keep things completely frozen, because again, remember, we want to try to layer frozen stuff on the bottom and perishable stuff on top, like tomatoes and lettuces and stuff like that. So if it gets too cold and it gets to the freezing point, tomatoes and lettuces will go bad. But then if it's too warm, then the frozen stuff is going to defrost way too quickly. So the way I'm trying to, that I would like to try to set this up is a gradual defrost, if that makes any sense. But again, a lot more testing is going to need to be done. But number one, the thing that we need to do first is actually find a spot for the cooler in the truck. That's going to be in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Think about subscribing if you want to see more videos. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you are notified whenever there is a new video. Until then, stay safe, and who knows, maybe we'll see you out there.